Yes, good morning students. So today we are going to learn about the next property of metal. That I am showing you something. This diary I am having in this glass having water. I am having water, and third one we cannot see. So I am going to tell you that there are three states of a matter. One is solid state, second is liquid state, and third one is gas state. Gas, you all know, there is air around us in this atmosphere which we cannot see but we can feel. So these three are the parts of what physical state of a matter which we are going to read in this module. As you all know already, we have read many properties of material, and I think this is very simple topic. Properties of material you must be remembering, and you must have learned with the module only that how many properties of material has, because these are very simple. Now here one more comes, that is physical state. Physical state, this you must have read in 5th standard also. There are three physical state of matter: solid, liquid and gas. We can see three states of water in our daily life, like ice as solid, water as liquid and water vapor as gas, solid. In solid state, the particles I think you have read in 5th standard very clearly about the solid, liquid, gas. Again I am repeating here. In solid state, the particles are tightly packed. There is strong bond between the particles which hold them together. This prevents them from moving around. So they cannot move, they can only vibrate. This is the reason the solids have definite shape and volume, like brick, table, chair. Definite shape क्यों है? Because the molecules cannot move. If they cannot move, then shape will remain same. Liquid state. In liquid state, the particles are less tightly packed than solid. Particles are little bit far from each other. The force of attraction between the particle is not strong as in solid. Force of attraction means दो पार्टिकल के बीच में जो अट्रैक्शन होता है, जो फोर्स होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, विच इज नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग इन लिक्विड स्टेट. सो क्या होता है? द मॉलिक्यूल्स कैन मूव रेंडमली and can change their position constantly. That's why liquid have definite volume but not definite shape. Example: water, milk, juice, etc. Now gaseous state. In gas, particles are very loosely packed together because the particles are very far from each other, and the force of attraction between the particles are very weak because they are very far to each other. जब दूर हैं तो their force will be less, so the particles can move apart and spread out to fill available space. जो उनके बीच में बहुत सारा space होता है, उसको fill करने के लिए they can change their position. That's why the gases do not have neither definite shape nor volume. Example: air, water, water vapor, oxygen, etc. Now children, here I have written some properties of solid, liquid and gases which you can identify by the differences. You can differentiate between these solid, liquid and gases. First, on the basis of shape, you can see in solid, molecules are tightly packed, so they have definite shape. Liquid takes the shape of the container because why? Because molecules can move, and the gas takes the shape of its container. They can move very easily. Volume: solid has definite volume, liquid has definite volume, but the gas fills the volume of the container because they can occupy the space is available in the container. Arrangement of particles: fixed and very close in solid. Random close means they can move in liquid, and random far apart means very far to each other in gas. Interaction between particles: solid, we all know that we have read particles are very closely bound, so they have very strong interaction between particles. Liquid, we can say strong but not as solid, but in gas it is essentially none. कुछ particles के बीच में interaction होता ही नहीं है. So here on this base of this module I have given you two question which is very easy. I'm going to explain this question. Compare any three properties of solid, liquid and gas. This you can do from the table. Any three you can take: volume, shape, arrangement, any three. How does smell of food being cooked spread so fast? This is a little bit tricky question but very easy. If you have read this module very attentively, you can give this answer very easily. How does smell of food being cooked spread so fast? क्यों हम जो खाना बनाते हैं उसकी स्मेल जल्दी से स्प्रेड होती है? Because of air particles, right? So I'm giving you hint: air particles, and air particles are very far to each other. They can move from one place to another as they are taking the smell, and they are moving from one place to another place. The word smell of cooked food can be spread so fast. Clear, children? So we are completing this our physical state. After this, the very small topics of this properties of materials are remaining, that will complete in next schedule, and after this we will do question answers of this chapter. Thank you.